Are you looking for the best cordless paint sprayer to buy? Here are the top 5 best models on the market based on our research. Whether you're a professional painter or just want to do some home improvement projects yourself, we've got the perfect sprayer for you. So let's get started with the list. Mytol Cordless Paint Sprayer. Our Mytol Cordless Paint Sprayer can spray up to 173.3 square feet in 10 minutes with no heat generation. The high-quality motor and raw materials must bring a high-quality user experience. A cheap electric gun will only give you a bad day. It is well known that paint corrodes plastic. Our paint sprayer will render the plastic seal useless, leading to paint leakage and clogging. You will have the freedom to spray your own style with Mytol Cordless Paint Sprayer. You can paint as many colors as you want without creating heat or wasting a lot of paint. The durable construction and long durability of copper seals make it an ideal solution for all users. In addition, Mytol Cordless Paint Sprayer comes with our 2-year warranty that protects against defects in materials and workmanship. With our reliability and quality, there's no reason to choose any other option. List number: Wesco Cordless Paint Sprayer Gun with 3 spray patterns. This Wesco Cordless Paint Sprayer Gun with 3 spray patterns has a pure copper wire motor, which has low heat generation and low power consumption. The spraying speed is fast, and it can spray 500 ml in 1 minute. Equipped with a 2.5 mm nozzle and a 1.8 mm nozzle, it can spray a variety of materials and solutions of different viscosities, up to 50 DIN-S solutions. The spraying speed is fast, and it can spray 500 ml in 1 minute. This powerful spray gun can freely adjust the spray shape, flow, and spray speed. Just adjust the knob to adjust vertical, horizontal, and circular spray shapes. The hose length is 50 meters at most, allowing you to get rid of the interference of wires when working on a messy job site, so that you can work freely and effectively. The handle is made of non-slip soft rubber, which reduces the vibration generated when using the body running, feels comfortable to use, and will not be tired after long-term use. List 3. ProStormer Cordless Paint Sprayer. ProStormer Cordless Paint Sprayer offers a wide range of features, making it one of the most versatile sprayers you'll find. Pro is a professional paint sprayer powered by brushless motor with strong performance. It has more powerful than other models and can spray more paint quantity. It uses a brushless motor that has a longer service life than other paint sprayers, making this product ideal for professionals or DIYers. The sprayer includes 4 nozzle sizes: 1.5 mm, 1.8 mm, 2.2 mm, and 2.6 mm. Flow control knob can adjust the flow rate. You can control the flow rate of the spray by turning the knob to get different paint output. The user can always find the right nozzle size to suit their needs in any project. This cordless paint sprayer is designed for artists to work freely and effectively, using a brushless motor. It has a longer service life than other models of the same model and will have less noise during use. List number: Works Nitro 20-volt Cordless Paint Sprayer. The Works Nitro 20-volt Cordless Paint Sprayer provides greater power, performance, and runtime for on-the-go homeowners. With a compact cordless design, this paint sprayer can be used anywhere you have access to an electrical outlet, and features speed control to help reduce overspraying. Works Nitro 20-volt Cordless Paint Sprayer is designed to provide greater power and performance while eliminating recoil. This paint sprayer offers so much customization, with the ability to control the speed as well. What's more, it's easy to clean with a garden hose hookup. Lithium-ion battery runs on a quick charge port, so you can get back to work faster without wasting time on cords. Handheld design allows painting in tight corners or working around obstacles. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the PowerShare family. List 5. Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. The Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Sprayer System provides the perfect airless finish at any speed without thinning. Built with a triple piston pump with ProConnect and Triax spray tip, this handheld paint sprayer is fully repairable for extended life. It utilizes RACX FFLP spray tips, which are compatible with all Pro Spray guns. Fast and easy Pro Connect pump replacement system. Pro Control 2 adjusts motor speed. Smart Control advanced pressure control. Powered by DeWalt XR20V lithium-ion system, spray up to 1 gallon per charge. This paint sprayer uses triple piston pump and DeWalt XR lithium-ion system, which makes the cleaner. It delivers more than 1.2 gallons per minute of paint spray, which is perfect for all types of applications, like furniture refinishing, auto detail, and restoration. This professional grade can deliver superior results without trimming or thinning.